Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to do some stuff on the E91. Thank you to Pipercross for sending over a filter. I'm going to get this installed and see what it does. I always run a Pipercross and all filter in all my cars, so I'm very grateful for them to send one of these out to me to try. It's a quick, easy install. Shouldn't take too long. This is something you can definitely DIY at home. So yeah, let's get into it. So just popped outside to do a bit of an unboxing to show you what you get in the box. So it comes like this, nicely packaged, all branded, really nice box. And then you just get the filter inside, wrapped in some lovely plastic to keep it all safe while it's getting shipped to you. Let's just tear into this and see what we got. Wonderful. So there you go, guys. We've got a lovely foam filter here. It's nice and squishy, just lovely. Feels really high quality. The rubber edging is really nice as well. Should leave a nice tight seal inside the airbox so you don't get any bits of like grit and sand and all sorts flying through the airbox when it's sealed, because I know some aftermarket air filters can have a bit of a loose seal around the edge, and then when you open it up to change it, there's bits on the side there where there shouldn't be any bits. You never get that with a Pipercross, which is why I tend to go with them. Okay guys, so when you're trying to install this new filter, so this is your airbox housing on the E91 that I've got, the LCI one. So you use metal clips that just fold up out the way. You got to get yourself a flathead, put it into here, boom, you just literally put it in there, pop it off, and in it goes. And this should start revealing. There's another one actually down here at the bottom, so we'll pop that off as well. Just up and in, simple, out the way. Something you could definitely do at home. I'll pop this out, and there you go. Absolutely disgusting air filter. Definitely need to swap into. We're going to have a clean out of this, give it all a clean, and then put it back together. Okay guys, so I've given it a bit of a hoover. I've got my Pipercross filter here. So what I'm going to do now is basically install the filter. So it goes in something like, ooh, no idea. Well, it can only go in one way, and it wants to go in this way. So that's what we'll do. Let's pop it in like this. Oh, a little bit too far. There we go, perfect. Okay, there we go guys, so that's the filter installed almost completely. It look like I've forgotten a clip. There you go, so yeah, they just clip back on quite easily. Where are they? They just clip on quite easily. So now I'm going to give it all a quick start, make sure it's sounding alright, and give you all a listen to what it sounds like, I guess. There you go guys, so that's basically it. I've installed the new Pipercross filter. It sounds a lot better, and it will drive a lot better as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you up in the next one. There's some Art 32 content coming up soon, so stay tuned. Thanks guys.